Congratulations on your decision to sell your home. My name is Elizabeth, and in this series of videos, I'm going to be taking you step by step through the sale process so that you know exactly what to expect along the way. Now that you've signed your listing paperwork, it's time for the photo shoot. There are several things you can do to make sure your home looks its best for photographs. For example, moving some pieces of furniture and keeping decor simple could make a room seem larger. You should declutter the surfaces of your home and make sure everything is clean. You want buyers to picture themselves at home in the space. The more depersonalized your home looks, the more easily they'll be able to imagine themselves living there. So yes, little Sarah is a very talented artist, but it's time to put those masterpieces away for now. There will be exterior photos as well, so don't forget to straighten up your outdoor areas. Make sure the lawn is mowed and the bushes are trimmed. On the day of the photo shoot, our marketing coordinator will take measurements and make note of all the important features of the home. The photographer will capture all the hard work that you have done preparing the house. After the marketing materials are ready to go and you and your realtor have decided on a date, your home will be ready to hit the market. I'll be back with another video to help you prepare for showings. See you then!